They had to dash the match because of heavy rain. And the options are call off, bring up, give up. You can
Call
raise your
off.
hand and answer.
Call, call,
Call off.
call off.
Okay, Reshu. Fantastic. Call
Hmm.
off is the correct answer because call off means cancel.
Can.
The second one is we decided to dash the meeting until next week. And the options are look after, put off, work out. Put off. Exactly. Put off. You
Yes.
can write down
Hmm.
also because put off means postpone. Next one is yesterday I dash my old teacher at the market. And the options of the phrasal verbs are ran into, set up, turned up. What is the correct phrasal verb? Issue.
Ran into.
Fantastic. Ran into means to meet someone by
By
chance.
chance.
Next one, all of you, come on. Lalit, Rahulji, fast, fast. All right. She stays at home to dash her children. Check in, cut down on, look after.
Look after.
Look
Look after.
after.
Look
Look
after.
Look
after.
Look
after.
after.
Look after. Amol, very good. Look fantastic. Next one is the manager told us to dash with the project. Take off, drop off, carry on. Yes, Rahulji.
Carry on.
Very nice.
Take
Fantastic.
off.
Carry on means to
Carry on.
continue. Next one. Please don't dash. Very easy. Just because it's difficult. Look for, check out, give up.
Give up.
Give up. Give
Give
up.
up. Yes, Varun. Fantastic. Give up means what? Give up means to quit. Next one is I am dash my glasses. Have you seen them? Setting up, working out, looking for.
Looking for. Looking
Looking
for. I
for.
think. Yeah.
Yes, Lalit. Very nice. Looking for means to search. Yes. Next one. He didn't dash for class. And nobody knows why. He didn't dash for class. Options are call off, cut down, turn up.
Turn up.
Turn up. Yes, Rahul,
Up.
you got this. Turn up means to say to appear, to arrive. Let's take next one quickly. They want to dash a small shop in town. Options are pick up, bring up, set up.
Set up.
Yes,
Set up.
Rishu.
Set
Set up.
up.
Set up.
Set up.
Set up. You have to raise your hand,
Set up.
guys.
Set up.
Set up.
Okay.
Set up.
Fantastic. I was shocked when I dashed the truth, carried on, gave up, found out.
Found out.
Found out.
Found out.
Found
Yes.
out.
Found out means to discover. She goes to the gym to dash 3 times a week. Put off, look after, work out.
Workout.
Out.
Work out.
Work out.
Workout.
Work out.
Out.
Fantastic. Next one, my bike dash on the way to office. And the options are checked out, took off, broke down. Yes,
My
Varun.
Broke
bike.
down.
Varun. Reshu, right, right. Broke down. Excellent. Excellent choice. We need to dash at the airport 2 hours before the flight. And your options are check in, run into, bring up.
Check in.
Check in. Check
Check
in.
Check
in.
in.
Check in.
Fantastic. Let's dash that new restaurant tomorrow. And the options are call off, check out, cut down. Yes, Reshu?
Check in.
Check out. Right.
Check
Let's
out.
dash that new restaurant. Check out means try. Next one. Could you dash some fruits from the market? And the options are give up, take off, pick up.
Pick up. Take no
Yes,
no. Pick up.
yes,
Pick up.
Rahul, correct.
Pick up.
Pick up means collect. Zubair, next one, I hope from your side. I will dash these documents at your office. And the options are work out, run into, drop off.
Drop off.
Yes, Reshu,
Drop off.
Drop off.
drop off. Just raise your hands. Drop off means leave. The doctor told me to dash junk food. Very easy options. Bring up, set up, or cut down on.
Cut
Varun,
down on.
Cut down on.
cut
Cut down
down
on.
on.
Cut down on.
Excellent. The plane will dash at 6:30 p.m. Carry on, call off, take off.
Take
Take
off.
off.
Take
Take
off.
off.
Take off.
Take off.
Take
Take off.
off. Fantastic. All right. Take off means what? Begin flight. Next one is quickly. Be quick. Can you please dash the music? It's too loud. Very easy. Give up. Run
Turn
into.
down.
Turn down.
Turn down.
Turn down. Turn
Turn
down.
Turn down.
Yes.
Turn
Fantastic.
down.
Amol this time. Turn down means to reduce volume.